Today at the Temple Speed, we got a big one for you. We're building a 2013 twin turbo Camaro. All right, our new Camaro's getting brought to us with an LSX long block freshly dropped in. What we need to do is get it set up and ready for a turbo kit. We're also adding a little brake kit so we can put some drag slicks on, E85, and we're gonna finish off with a carbon fiber hood. So since we don't need the baseline, we're gonna go right into throwing the manifolds on. Only issue is they don't fit the LSX block. So this freshly dropped in LSX block is a 6-bolt head pattern. What that means is there's an extra bolt protruding the bottom of the cylinder that we need to create a little clearance for on the new manifold. So that's what Mark's doing right here. He's creating a little relief and he's welding in a little sleeve for it. All right, so we're fitting the turbos up now. This turbo kit is brought to us by AGP. These turbos are 65mm ball bearing Garrett turbos. This kit has almost everything we need. It's got the plumbing, the fittings, the air inlet, and since these turbos are low mounted and tucked away, they will need to run a scavenge pump. A couple of V-band clamps and we can mount our TL wastegates. We have springs in them set for about 14 to 15 pounds estimated boost. Major power is going to demand major fuel, so we're throwing on a custom fuel system. We're starting with a Fior triple pump system that's going to drop into that fuel tank. To control the 3 fuel pumps, we did wire in a Fior triple pump fuel controller. Here's AGP's drag race intercooler going in. To make sure we get air across this full drag race intercooler, we're opening up our bumper support and creating a little mini air vent. We also opted to paint the intercooler for an extra stealth finish. This is not part of the kit, but we are installing a Holley Sniper intake for a clean, sleek look and a little extra performance. We also installed a catch can, which is always important for boosted cars. Since real estate is getting tight with this twin turbo kit, our oil cooler is going to have to be a custom install. To do that, we're mounting it right where the driver fog light would be, and we're going to use that opening as a fresh air intake for the oil cooler. Big power is going to require big grip. To do that, we're downsizing the brakes in the rear so we can fit some bigger drag slicks on the back. To finish off the exhaust, we do have a full boiler kit with an X-pipe. Guess we'll take a moment to admire this beautiful carbon fiber hood from VIS Racing right before we put it on. All right, it's time to get this beast on the dyno. Looks like all that work finally paid off. We showed 966 horsepower on 93 octane, and we broke the 1000 club with 1047 on E85. Let's take this thing for a drive.
Oh boy, it is time to drive this monstrous Camaro. You know what I always say? If you're building cars that don't excite you, scare you, you're building the wrong cars. Transmission, a little scary. It's a little scary with this much power. But good God, is it exciting. Oh my. This thing is wicked. Being a Camaro fan, I love that there's a kit available for this to just slap on 1,000 horsepower. It's like the second you get into it, you gotta get out because it's ripping the tires off. It is.
Hey, that's all for us at Blackdog Speed Shop. If you like cool Camaros, make sure you like, subscribe, get notified. Stay boosted.